Let's unbox 3 of my newest luxury items that I am obsessed with. Okay, let's go. Hi lovies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi Ford. I'm a wife, I'm a mom, I'm an entrepreneur. Born in Nigeria, Niger babe, but living in the good old Birmingham, Alabama. My channel is all things fashion, beauty, travel, entrepreneurship, and luxury. I love luxury that makes sense for me. And so I love sharing with you the pieces that I find, that I fall in love with. And today we are unboxing 3 items that I have fell in love with. They are all 3 accessories and they are gag worthy. Let's just get straight into them because I've already worn the pieces. I'm going to be putting pictures to the side of me wearing it or somebody else wearing it if I haven't worn it yet or styled it yet. But the first item I already wore. I wore it all throughout Fashion Week. I'm going to put some pictures to the side of me styling it for Fashion Week. I bought it while I was in London. I ended up getting it for way less than retail here in the US just because of the VAT, the value added tax refund that I got, and the prices were so much less than here in the US. And the bag that I got, if you want to call it a bag, is the Fendigraphy charm. It's not really a bag, it's the charm. It does come in other sizes, but I ended up getting it in the charm size because, as you know, I love me a mini bag, and this is the tiniest, teeniest of a mini bag. So let's unbox it. You can already tell this is about to be the tiniest of a baby doll bag, and that's exactly what it is. I saw the bag in large. One of my really good influencer friends came to Fashion Week with the same bag in a large, and I was so glad that I did not get it in any other size. Now, can this bag fit anything? No. It will not fit my cell phone. It only fits keys and a card holder and maybe a grain of salt for dinner, because that's all I'm going to be able to put into it. This is the Fendigraphy bag from Fendi. This is the charm version of the bag, so it's not the small, it's the lowest after the small. I absolutely love it. The outside is calf leather. It's 100% calf leather. It is super smooth in this gorgeous black color. When it's open like how it is, it just looks like a moon, half moon bag. But how the bag works is that you actually close it and then it becomes a little croissant, a croissant. And this is how the bag usually is when you wear it. You put a hand through it and it becomes like a little croissant on your arm. I love the details of this bag. You have gold details in the zipper, in the hardware. There's also extra hardware right here if you wanted to buy crossbody straps. It does not come with crossbody straps, but you can go and buy Fendi straps to go with it, or you can just buy any straps to kind of go with it if you want the bag to be a crossbody. But again, it just comes with this by itself. And then, like I showed you, you have the Fendi detail. Oh, that's beautiful. You have the Fendi detail on the clasp. And it closes like this, like so. And you stick your hand through it. And that's when you see the best part of the bag, and that is the back side, the behind of the bag. And you have Fendi spelled out in large gold letters all down the back of the bag. This is probably the selling point of this tiny baby bag, is this right here. Usually when you see an influencer wearing it, or a model, or just somebody out on the street, they will wear it like this so that when they take a picture, you'll be able to see the Fendi as they walk, or how I hold it as a top handle. I don't really care if you see this or not. I usually only wear it as a top handle. When I store it without it closed because I don't want the leather to start folding on itself. So that's just an FYI. when you're not wearing it, go ahead and unbuckle it so that the leather doesn't start to crease and fold. The outside is 100% calfskin leather, and the inside is polyester. It's a polyurethane fabric on the inside of it, but it's this gorgeous, vibrant, metallic gold on the inside of it. Again, you can fit your keys, you can fit a card holder, you can fit some snacks, lipstick, lip gloss. You can actually fit a compact and a small brush or powder. That's about it. A phone cannot fit in this bag. Usually if I'm wearing this bag, I have a tote bag with me, or I have my cell phone in my pocket, or I put it in my husband's pocket or one of my friend's pockets, because this is for fashion. And for fashion, we're going to keep our cell phones away from us. But again, the bag closes like this, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I love how it, even when you closes it, it kind of creases and it gives it like all this other dimension as soon as you close it up. And then when you open it up, you have a whole nother like little bag. There's so many different things that you can do with this bag. It comes in a lot of different colors. It comes in different fabrics, and it comes in different sizes. If I had to recommend this bag, I would give it a 7 out of 10. Functionality, nowhere to be found, but ease of wear, cost per wear, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. When I was in New York, I constantly was reaching for this bag. Whenever I travel or I'm putting together a look, I'm constantly reaching for this bag. So I am getting cost per wear out of this bag, and I love anything that I can style very easily and I don't have to be fussy and think too much about. The downside of this bag, again, is that it doesn't fit a lot, and this will start to oxidize over time. This is the bottom of the bag. When you're storing the bag and you don't have anything to hang it on, it sits on this. And anything that's metal, that you start hitting it on different surfaces, it will start to chip, it will start to oxidize. And so it's not a bag that you're buying for an investment piece. It's a bag that's super trendy, super cute, and you're just getting your CPW out of it, and then it's done. So keep that in mind when you're buying it. Let's look at the second item that I bought that I'm absolutely obsessed with. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. The girlies that get it, get it. You probably know what sunglasses these are. Loewe is a Spanish brand. I absolutely love this brand. When I was in London, I stopped and I bought a pair of sunglasses. These are not the ones that I bought from London. I will show those next. But these are the ones my husband bought me when he was in Vegas. Vegas, baby. So I remember going to Fashion Week and I saw these sunnies on a bunch of influencers, and I just thought they look like bobbleheads with these big thick sunglasses. They look like Willy Wonka. And then he brought them to me, and let me just show you. Moment of silence. Hold on, let me make sure my clavicle is popping. Okay, these sunnies are it. These sunnies are it. They are absolutely gorgeous. One thing I will tell you is that you see how this part of it is very small. That's what you're looking out of. So don't think you're like looking out at the world. You're looking out at these little tiny slits that allows you to see a corner of the world. But I absolutely love it. These glasses come in a lot of different colors. The red just popped and spoke to me. The red against my skin is just giving another dimension of chocolate goodness. I also love the white, but these bubble sunglasses, they look like lips to me. I love it. I did not think I was gonna like it because I saw it on people again in New York during Fashion Week, and I just thought they looked ridiculous until I got them, and I was like, okay, I see why people keep buying these sunnies. Loewe, I love their accessories. I have the puzzle bag, absolutely love it. I have these sunnies, and I have another pair of sunnies. They make amazing accessories. If you've never bought anything from them, definitely think about checking out their accessory line. These retail for around $360. It's under $400, so it's a really great pair of designer sunglasses for less than $700 or $1,000, because most of my designer sunglasses from Louis are almost $1,000. These are really, really great. But again, this is all that you're seeing out of, so keep that in mind. I'm going to bring it a bit closer so that you can kind of see. Loewe, to me, is a very like minimalist brand. I mean, their designs are maximalist, but when it comes to logo, you're not going to see their logos on a lot of different things. So you have Loewe on both sides of the arms, and then this is it, y'all. I'm obsessed. You try it on. Okay, there you go. You look gorgeous. You look gorgeous, babe. You need this. You don't need it, but it is really, really cute if you decide to get it. It's a really, really great pair of sunnies. They're super thick. They're super heavy. So you know you're getting quality for the price of under $400. Let's look at the next pair. These ones I did end up getting in Paris. And these I had wanted for a minute. Nobody had them. I got it in white with pink accents. You have the Loewe name up here on the arm as well as the Loewe logo. Again, Loewe is very minimalist. They don't have a bunch of logos, but their designs are maximalist because you know it's Loewe once you see the design. Look at this. Concave, dips in. You have the white. You have the pink. This is definitely a summer pair of sunnies, so you will see them all summer long on me. Like, Loewe just gets it. You want your accessories to pop. You want them to speak. You want them to have a voice of their own. You want them to stand out. You want people to stop you and ask you, where did you get those sunglasses from? This is this brand. They're going to have people stopping you, whether to say they hate it or to say they like it. They're going to be stopping you. And that's the point of fashion. You want people to see and ask about what you have on or just admire you from afar, too afraid to speak. But come speak, because I love people speaking to me. So this is the last pair of sunglasses that I got from Loewe, and it's the last item in our 3-item haul. It wasn't a big haul. I just wanted to show you 3 of the items that are getting a lot of love right now from me because I'm obsessed with it. If you have any questions about any of the items that I showed, definitely comment down below. Let me know which item is your favorite or which item you could see yourself buying and wearing. Again, thank you guys for spending time with me on this corner of the internet. You could be anywhere else, watching anybody else, but you stopped to spend time with me, and I appreciate it. If you have any questions, again, comment them down below. If you have any video ideas that you want me to do or any reviews that you want me to do, please comment it so I can get to work just for you. I hope that you guys have a great day. Make sure you follow me on all of my other social media platforms and subscribe to this channel so that you'll be notified when I put out a video. Turn on the bell notification if you're already one of my lovies. Okay? Love you. Mean it. Bye-bye.